Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano i-turn on ang tag review sa Facebook. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So for today's video, gamit tayo ng Facebook application. So i-open na natin. So, pagka-open ng inyong Facebook application, pumunta agad kayo sa menu. Click nyo lang yung 3 horizontal lines na nandito sa upper right corner. Then, lalabas yung menu. Scroll down nyo lang. Then, punta kayo sa settings and privacy. Then, click nyo naman yung settings. Then, dito sa settings and privacy, scroll down nyo lang. Then, punta kayo sa audience and visibility. Then, i-click nyo yung profile and tagging. Then, dito naman sa profile and tagging, scroll down nyo lang, then punta kayo sa section ng reviewing. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, i-turn on nyo lang yung switch button na nandito. Then, tsaka itong isa. So, ibig sabihin yan, review tags people add to your post before tags appear on Facebook. So, ito namang isa, review post your tag in before the post appears on your profile. So, yun lang, ganun lang kasimple kung paano i-turn on ang tag review sa Facebook. If you have a question, can you comment down below? And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray